This is a Nearpod lesson that I use in my 4th grade math class that is standard aligned. What the students do is they go to Nearpod and they get a code to enter that is given to them by me. That way they can sign into the lesson. They go ahead and type in their name and then they can start the assessment. This is a mixture of a lesson and assessments throughout. As the students are working, I am able to see what they're doing when they're doing it. So I can assess myself along, or formatively assess the students along the way as well. This is going to be a student view. It is standard align. Our standard is listed right here. And that standard has to do with multiplying whole numbers up to 4 digits by a 1-digit number, as well as multiplying two 2-digit numbers together. Our learning objective would be I can multiply a whole number of up to 4 digits by a 1-digit number. I can multiply two 2-digit numbers. It first goes through a review of the key information. Once the students go through the review, then they are asked the questions. This one I had previously done. I had already started this. The students have to answer the questions in order to move on. There has to be some type of picture on the page before they are able to submit and go to the next question. And this is an example of a student being able to multiply 1 digit by up to 4 digits. This is a 1 digit by a 2 digit, but there's all different examples: a 1 digit by 3 digit, a 1 digit by 4 digit, and then it goes into the 2 digit by 2 digit. The students have the choice to use the strategy of their choosing. So if I were a student and I wanted to solve the 2 digit by 2 digit, I could go ahead and draw in my answer right there. Remember that as a teacher, as they're doing this, I'm able to see their work even before it is submitted. They could fill out the answer and then submit, and on my side I would be grading. They also have open-ended questions. For example, this one: what strategy do you use when multiplying multiple digit numbers? Share your thinking using 2 or 3 sentences. So the student would type in their answer and then be able to move on. And those are your formative assessments throughout. And then at the end, they will take a quiz. This is a short quiz, 3 question. But so there is that formative and summative assessment in one. Once the students finish up the questions throughout and the quiz, I am able to then see if the student did or did not meet the learning standard or the learning objectives. Were they able to multiply a 1 digit by a number up to 4 digits, and were they able to multiply a 2 digit by a 2 digit?